Step, shake, hop, step. I'm getting it. Look at me, I'm dancing.
Hold on there, Goofy. That's not the fancy dance. That's kind of like the hot dog dance.
But I like the hot dog dance.
Oh, we like it too, Goofy. But see, Donald's dance is different.
Step, hop, shake. Step, step, hop, shake. Step, step,
Let's
hop,
all
shake.
count the beat with
Step,
Donald.
step.
One,
I can't do it.
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I'm not jumping because I've got a bad man. It's not
3,
really
2,
safe.
1. 4, 1, 2. 3, 4, 1. 2, 1, 2.
Does that sound like the same beat as Donald's fancy dance?
Can't do it with a bad man. I'm like,
Nope.
Gee willikers. Clarabelle's gonna be so disappointed. I just can't get that fancy dancing beat.
What can we do to help Goofy get the fancy dance beat? Is there something we can use?
I'm so hot.
Good idea, Donald. Everybody say,
Toodles! Oh, toodles!
gosh, only the Mystery Mouse-Catool is left.
I sure hope it's something that'll help me get the dance beat.
Enter the
Everybody
ICG.
say, Mystery Mouse-Catool! What's today's Mystery Mouse-Catool?
A bongo. It's a drum.
A drum! Will it help
It's a
Goofy if we
bongo.
beat the drum to the beat of the fancy dance?
Bongo drum.
Think
Bitch.
so?
Up your bongo.
Alright. We get all our mouse-catools. Say, super cheers!
Okay, stop it. But I wear black though this small. It's like bitch face. Bigger
Okay,
than
everybody,
better.
when I hit the drum, clap your hands on the beat. Step, step, hop, shake.
Step, step, hop, shake. You're hot.
Step,
I
step,
can't do
hop,
it.
shake. Step, step,
I told
hop,
Josh,
shake.
I'm ready to put
Step,
this.
step,
Hop, shake. Step,
Hey, it's for King. Step,
step, hop,
shake.
shake. Step, step, hop, shake. I can't do it, mate.
Gosh, looks like our friends are right on time.
I'm all ready for the fancy dance.
Oh, I'm so
I got my purple polka dotty tie, non-stinky
Love
new
this
shoes,
polka, I'll go mad.
and a pretty yellow daffodilly for Clarabelle.
Oh, there's just one more thing to do. The party decorations.
We're going to a party, is it? There's that party. Man, I can't listen to this fucking one. It really hurts. Like, going up there, it bare hurts, isn't it? His muscle. Why do I hurt it?
We did it. We decorated the clubhouse.
He doesn't.
We're here for the fancy dance.
That's dancing. Can't wait to start.
Oh, Mickey, the clubhouse looks wonderful.
I'm so hot doing this.
This is for you, Clarabelle.
Okay,
It's a
boy.
belly of a daffodilly.
Why, thank you, Goofy.
Touch a booger then. Your booger then. I went.
Tie, purple polka dotted.
And I'm all ready to fancy dance, too. What's this?
I've run a bit
Step,
though, but
step,
still.
hop, shake. Step, step, hop, shake. Step, step, hop, shake.
Oh, well, that's a wonderful fancy dance, Goofy. But,
I love when we're running down. I was watching a child.
Is it a hot dog dance? A hot dog dance?
Really? Why, that's my favorite